सेंट्रल एयरमैन सिलेक्शन बोर्ड, आज 11 साल बाद वो ओवर एज हो गया, अब तो रिटायरमेंट की तैयारी का समय आ गया।
ये जब पिटिशन फाइल करी थी, then he was 21.
21।
Lord, he cleared all the written test, oral test, physical test, and the medical test.
जी।
Spelling, my lord, of the father of the present petitioner, where, my lord, in 10+2, that is 10th mark sheet, it was Bridge Basi. So वो B और V का फर्क था।
हाईलाइटिंग एक्सपर्ट की जांच कराई क्या आपने?
नहीं कराई।
हाईलाइटिंग एक्सपर्ट की जांच कराई आपने? कब से केस पेंडिंग है? यू आर प्लेइंग विद द फ्यूचर ऑफ अ पर्सन। नो, आप तो रिपोर्ट पहले लाइए, मुझे एफएसएल रिपोर्ट देखनी है। आधी अधूरी रिपोर्ट क्यों पेश की है आपने? इंक्वायरी आप अपने मर्जी से करेंगे, उसका कोई पैरामीटर होता है, तरीका होता है, नहीं होता है?
एक हिंदी में कहावत है, एक तो चोरी ऊपर से सीना चोरी।
ठीक है
सर, मुझे 10 दिन का टाइम देते, मुझे उन्होंने कहा है
15 दिन का टाइम लीजिए, बट आई विल गिव यू ऑन कॉस्ट।
नंबर 12
अब तो ओवर एज हो गए होंगे आपके पिटिशनर।
उसमें मतलब there is an interim order, if your lordship may kindly see.
Is he working as a airman?
No, he is not working as an airman.
तो क्या बचा
If your
क्या?
lordship may just have perusal, my lord, he has been, my lord, so done away with only on the basis of one alphabet.
And I'm not going to the marriage.
My lord,
तो बात की बात है
जी।
आज तो ये ओवर एज हो गए।
my lord, 7/12/12 का order, if your lordship may kindly see, that was his interests were protected by this court. Now, my lord, by virtue of, my lord, act of the court, my lord, he may not be prejudiced. And that would relate back, my lord, to the position, my lord, 7/12/2012, my lord. In the meantime, appointment in question shall be subject to the right of the petitioner.
यही तो दिक्कत है कि
Sir, वो order, we had prayed for interim leave and this interim leave was granted, my lord, by the court. 7/12/2012.
नहीं क्या क्या इंटरिम ऑर्डर है, पढ़िएगा जरा।
In the meantime, appointment in question shall be subject to right of the petitioner.
सब्जेक्ट टू राइट ऑफ द पिटिशनर।
जी। Now,
सब्जेक्ट टू द आउटकम ऑफ द पिटिशन भी नहीं है।
my lord, either way, my lord, it would be, my lord, to the outcome of the petition. The reason I am saying that is, my lord, that
चलिए आप बताइएगा।
जी,
कुछ है नहीं है ऐसा। आज 11 साल बाद वो ओवर एज हो गया, अब तो रिटायरमेंट की तैयारी का समय आ गया।
ये जब पिटिशन फाइल करी थी, then he was 21.
21। आज 11 साल हो गए।
11 साल। जी।
32 हो गए।
Not act of court, my lords, are already aware of that proposition. So,
चलिए सही।
my lord, if your lordship may kindly have, my lord, page 33. my lord. In fact, my lord, he was selected and he was there, my lord, in the selected candidates. The name of the petitioner, my lord, finds mention. Admittedly, if I may just briefly point out what is the case, my lord, I'll come straight away to the point.
जी
My lord, he cleared all the written test, oral test, physical test, and the medical test.
जी
And my lord, he finds mention, my lord, in the merit list
जी
at page 36, my lord, serial number 334.
जी
Now, my lord, his name, if your lordship may see 334, the status, my lord, is CSV, that is subject to, my lord, verification of the certificates.
जी
Now, my lord, at page 42,
जी
it was pointed out, my lord, that there is a discrepancy, my lord, in the spelling, my lord, of the father of the present petitioner. Where, my lord, in 10+2, that is 10th mark sheet, it was Bridge Basi. And, my lord, at page 42, if your lordship would see,
यस
and
बाद में ब्रिज वासी हो गए।
Bridge Basi. So, वो B और V का फर्क था.
हाँ
So, therefore, my lord, just last paragraph, if your lordship may kindly see, what says, in view of the above, it is requested that the names of his father may be amended as Bridge Vasilal Pandey by C's work on 26 June 2012.
पढ़
So,
रहे हैं आप ये पेज
my lord, page 42, last paragraph.
लास्ट इन व्यू ऑफ द अबव इट इज रिक्वेस्टेड दैट
Names of his father may be amended
as Brijbasi Lal
Lal
Pandey.
Pandey by C's work on 26 June 2012 so that he can be routed for training in time. The original certificates are annexed for your information and further necessary action.
जी,
This was written, my lord, by the
wing commander.
wing commander, my lord, to the Secretary Board of Secondary Education.
Yes.
Now, my lord, at page 43, the next day, my lord, I approached, my lord, the Board of Secondary Education, my lord. I rushed, my lord, from this place, my lord, to the Board of Secondary Education.
जी
And I filed, my lord, that challan, my lord, on 25th of June.
जी जी
At page 44, my lord, I was asked that the scholar register, my lord, of the higher school or the higher secondary would be required. That is, that checklist is at page, my lord, 44,
जी
serial number 4.
yes
So at page 45, my lord, the very next day, my lord, in fact, on 25th itself, my lord, I approached,
जी
and this was countersigned, my lord, by the district education officer Umaria on 26/6/2012,
जी
and I was given, my lord, the certified copy of the scholar register.
जी
Now, on the basis of this, my lord, they took time and, my lord, corrected, my lord, my mark sheet.
जी
which took my lord another month, and at page 47 I submitted my representation saying that
was mark sheet corrected.
Lord, that your lordship would see. My case is, my lord, that I had received this mark sheet. My lord, the specific date, my lord, which we've given in the petition, my lord, is in August 2012. The specific date, my lord, which we had pleaded, that your lordship may kindly see in the petition. My lord, 16/8/2012.
जी फिर
First week of August, my lord, para 5.11, my lord.
जी
I stated that first week of August. It was corrected in July and it was dispatched to me and was received, my lord, in first week of August.
जी
The corrected mark sheet, if your lordship would see, that is, my lord, at page 46.
yes
So it was made, my lord, on 6/7/2012. They prepared it, my lord, and it was given to me at page 47. I gave the representation along with, my lord, all these corrected mark sheets, page 48, 49, and 50. However, my lord, P9, and this is the bone of contention at page 53.
53
53. This is the impugn order, my lord.
जी
My lord, I'm reading para 3 and 4.
जी
You were called for enrollment as main candidate medical due with CSB status for 10+2 pass certificate in June 2012 and directed to report to 15 ASC on 22nd June 12. However, at the time of enrollment, you have submitted same certificates. As per policy, your candidature got cancelled automatically. Enrollment is a time-bound activity and is to be completed as per schedule. The vacancy created due to your CSV status was filled in by the next eligible standby candidate. Your candidature will remain cancelled and you will not be considered for enrollment in IAF against this roll number.
जी
Now, my lord, when the return was filed and this became the bone of contention, my lord, they stated that this particular impugn order, my lord, has been tampered. And they submit, my lord, in their return another impugn order, that is R4 at page 15. They say that I had submitted, my lord, on 26th itself an unwillingness application saying that I'm unwilling to join the Indian Air Force.
R4
R4, my lord, at page 15.
और where is that unwillingness certificate?
Yes, my lord. That unwillingness certificate is at page 13, 1-3, my lord. Now, neither this is in the format nor in accordance was ordered by this honorable court, saying that whether it is in accordance with the rules and whether this has been done in accordance with law.
जाने की कृपा तो कैसे होगा जब उसने रिपोर्ट ही नहीं किया तो जाने की कृपा कैसे करेगा?
सर, दूसरा ये कहना है उसमें कि 26 तारीख को आई हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स टू दैट इफेक्ट. And my lord, my specific case before the inquiry committee was this is not in my handwriting.
जी
I made a specific prayer that this be, my lord, examined by handwriting expert.
जी
I made an objection to the inquiry report, my lord. He was made to sit, my lord, in the inquiry, my lord, in the head office by virtue of order passed by this court. If your lordship may have order dated 17th of July 2013 of this honorable court.
just a minute.
The High Court order.
On this day, my lord, the original document we produced before this honorable court, and the authority who has signed this certificate or this order, my lord, he also appeared before this
ठीक है
honorable
ठीक
court.
है एक मिनट रुक जाइए. इस इंक्वायरी में क्या हुआ?
So the inquiry report, my lord, they filed.
जी
That is IA number 15151 of 2013.
15
151 of 2013.
Finding is at
Just
page.
before that, my lord, if your lordship may just have, my lord, page 14.
1515.
My lord, of 2013.
Let's see.
But just before that, if I may just point out one thing, my lord, then I'll go through, if your lordship would permit it. My lord, the rule for unwillingness, my lord, is at page 14 of the return, my lord. And we had specifically prayed that neither this is in accordance with the rule, nor, my lord,
इनका return is
my lord, 17/6/2013, my lord, where R4 was there.
20 ये 10/6/2013 लिखा 24 मई की सील है यही रिटर्न
हाँ, यही
हाँ इसमें फॉर्म इज एनेक्चर इज
my lord, R3 at page 14.
R3 at page 14.
Immediately after, my lord, the unwillingness certificate.
Candidates who do not wish to get enrolled for some reason or the other, or wish to get enrolled on a later date, are to be asked to
Put an application to that effect. The application
self-addressed envelope obtained from them are to be addressed to CASB. Each case will be settled on merit at CASB.
So, my lord, neither there is any self-addressed envelope which has been obtained, nor the same was forwarded to CASB, my lord. On the basis of this, the unwillingness which they filed is at page 13.
अब इसकी इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट का क्या
जी,
होगा?
अब sir, inquiry report, my lord, which was filed, and I was granted, my lord, opportunity to raise objections.
जी.
The inquiry report, my lord, would see is IA 15151. I mean, just point out, my lord, page 6 is the narrative.
Page 6,
Yes, my lord, of that report.
para 6.
My lord, brief narrative of the events is at page 6, my lord, of the I.
It's ये आईए में तो पेज 6 है ही नहीं.
सर इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट का पेज 48 देखिए उसमें फाइंडिंग ऑफ द
उसके बाद आपने लगाया होगा. नहीं ये रिपोर्ट जो आपने लगाई है मैडम
जी सर
ये तो
ये
4 पेज में आपने
नहीं सर ये रिपोर्ट मैंने फाइल करी हुई है पूरी ऐसे
फाइल हुई थी.
फाइल हुई है सर
अच्छा ये अलग से
जी सर पेज 48 is the finding of the
Page
inquiry
40?
48 is the finding of the inquiry officer
जी.
Let me just briefly, my lord, go through that inquiry report to show, my lord, as to why it is an eyewash.
जी.
Page 6, my lord, of this report is the brief narrative of the events, my lord,
जी.
where they stick to this point.
पॉइंटिंग एक्सपर्ट की जांच कराई गया आपने?
नहीं कराई. और
Sir-
स्पेसिफिक एप्लीकेशन है मेरी इसमें भी एक
सर
एक सेकंड रुक जाइए. हैंडराइटिंग एक्सपर्ट की जांच कराई आपने?
सर रिकमेंडेशन हुआ है पर अभी वो आई नहीं है सर
क्यों नहीं आई?
कल ही मैंने
ये
बात
कब
किया
से केस पेंडिंग है?
they are seeking 15 days more time to just bring on record the FSL report my lord
नहीं तो ये कितनी कॉस्ट पे लेंगे अब आप टाइम? यू आर प्लेइंग विद द फ्यूचर ऑफ अ पर्सन
my lord
and the
yes my lord.
integrity of the whole selection system is at stake.
My lord sir
1 लाख रुपए की कॉस्ट
my lord absolutely correct my lord but my lord may submit me to permit me to put forth my submission my lord
नो आप तो रिपोर्ट पहले लाइए. मुझे एफएसएल रिपोर्ट देखनी है. आधी अधूरी रिपोर्ट क्यों पेश की है आपने?
सर हमें सिर्फ इंक्वायरी करने के लिए कहा गया था
इंक्वायरी आप अपने मर्जी से करेंगे. उसका कोई पैरामीटर होता है, तरीका होता है, नहीं होता है? When you are saying that a particular document was given by him giving his unwillingness to join, then you are required, and then there is a categorical statement that it does not contain his handwriting, and you had obtained signatures on blank papers.
no,
Then
no.
are you
yes my lord
then are you not required to get the handwriting verified? Or
sir my lord we have already forwarded this has gone because it's an old matter my lord
नहीं, it's old matter. Then this order is
officers are being changed my lord yes day before yesterday or even last occasion it was listed on last week my lord I have written a letter to them they are seeking further 15 days time to get the FSL report my
कॉस्ट
lord
मिलेगी ना. कॉस्ट पे मिलेगा ना आपको 15 दिन का टाइम. लिखिएगा.
Just
श्री
one thing,
संकल्प
if I may
कोचर
point out.
लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर.
Lord, may I just point out one thing?
जी.
They have not taken my sample signatures, handwriting, nothing.
ठीक.
Inquiry report
Well,
में
this
हमने
is something the case, my lord. He has tampered the signature of the officer. He has altered the
ठीक है.
pune order, my lord.
अगर
मतलब
ऐसा पाया जाएगा.
ऐसा है मतलब कितना
ठीक है.
एक हिंदी में कहावत है एक तो चोरी ऊपर से सीना चोरी
ठीक है.
आप ऑफिसर का सिग्नेचर टैम्पर्ड कर रहे हैं आप लाइनें डिलीट कर रहे हैं उसके बेस से
वो ठीक है.
और ऊपर से आप कह रहे हैं कि सारी फॉल्ट हमारी है
आप हमें से आपका कोई
मैं
फॉल्ट नहीं है.
बिल्कुल
आपका कोई फॉल्ट नहीं है. आप उतनी हैंडराइटिंग एक्सपर्ट की रिपोर्ट बता
ये सर
दीजिए.
ये सर मुझे 10 दिन का टाइम देते मुझे उन्होंने कहा है
15 दिन का टाइम लीजिए.
Sir,
बट आई विल गिव यू ऑन कॉस्ट.
that I leave to lordship because my lord I have done my job I have requested them
Shri Sankalp Kochar points out that by order dated 17/7/2013, the coordinate bench of this court had directed the President Central Airmen Selection Board, New Delhi, to conduct an inquiry into the matter after giving an opportunity and notice of hearing to the petitioner, and also give him an opportunity to place the documents available with him to peruse the original record. Full stop. It is submitted that in pursuance to the said order, an inquiry, court of inquiry proceedings were produced on किस तारीख को फाइल किए थे आपने? Not 4th of October 2013. On 4th of October 2013, but despite lapse of around more than 9 years, no steps were taken to obtain handwriting sample of the petitioner to point out as to whether the order of whether the request for release as is contained in annexure R2 is in the handwriting of the petitioner or is in the handwriting of some other person. Full stop. This is a serious matter. Respondents belonging to a very respectable and noble profession, noble occupation, are not expected to deal with their subject like the petitioner in this manner. Full stop. Next para. Srimati Kanak Aggarwal prays for 10 days time to produce FSL report on record. Full stop. There is no reason that why FSL report was not produced for these long 9 years. Full stop. It's a serious matter. It not only deals with future of a young boy, but also creates bona fide doubts about the credibility of the whole selection process. Full stop. Subject to payment of cost of rupees 25,000 to be deposited in the Highcourt Legal Services Authority for the delay caused by the respondents in not furnishing the FSL report in time, and that too in time, which they should have filed along with the court of inquiry proceedings in the first place, and if it was not filed, then it should have been filed within some reasonable time, and which has caused delay in decision of this case to be deposited in High Court Legal Services Authority. 2 weeks time is granted to do the needful. List this case on 14 March 2023. with clear stipulation that if report is not filed, then respondent number 2 shall remain personally present before this. 2 and 3 shall remain present before this court.
We are grateful.
Would I be required to give samples to them, my lord? Because
I don't know what they are going to file. How can I anticipate?
Inquiry may he participated. We have taken his sample, my lord.
I'm not doubting that. I'm only concerned. If you had taken the samples, then you were required to produce the report.
Yes, my lord, sir, absolutely correct, my lord. I tried my level best to. I'm happy with this order, my lord.
Thank you.
much obliged.
13.
इसमें एक चीज और मैडम एक चीज और सुन लीजिए. Cost be recovered from the delinquent officials and should not be defrayed to the funds of the Union of India, as those funds consist of hard-earned taxpayers' money, and for the lethargy and indifference of individual officers, recovery cannot be ordered from the funds of the Union of India or the state.
Yes, my lord. May I submit, my lord? If he found guilty, the cost should.
हाँ वो आप
Yes,
बेफिक्र रहिए. वो आप
yes, my
बेफिक्र
lord.
रहिए. At this stage,
I'm grateful.
at
my lord.
this stage,
I'm grateful, my lord.
at this stage, Srimati Kanak Aggarwal submits that if petitioner is found guilty, then heavy cost should be imposed on him, for which Sri Sankalp Kochar has his consent. चलिए.
We are grateful.
मान के चलिएगा आप भी 1-2 लाख से नीचे नहीं
सर
आएंगे.
आप एक बार वो इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट में अभी I'll give my submission.
And
मैं
that
अभी कोई merit
हाँ, my lord, I'll reserve that for the next date.